Occasionally dito sa aking channel, I still get those questions na kung meron ako marirecommend na phone, mga 3,000 pesos na price range. Before, siguro sasabihin ko sa inyo, buy a bar phone na lang na Nokia. But after sunod-sunod na release ni itel ng mga very budget-friendly devices, here's another one. Si itel A60s 4G. This one is priced at 3,499 and meron pa siyang freebies na kasama if you buy this one early. So quickly unbox natin and pag-usapan natin what to expect from this phone after this quick intro. Hi guys, napakasunod mo ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So ito itel A60s would come at a price point of 3,499 and with may mga freebies pa siyang kasama. Link on the description box, but before that, buksan muna natin. So guys, buksan muna natin ito bagong phone ni itel and this is the A60s na 4G. And meron siyang 4 gigs of RAM plus 4 gigs of expansion and 120 gigs of storage. Meron din siya 5,000 mAh of battery with a 6.6-inch na HD Plus display. Buksan natin. Kakaiba yung kanyang packaging. Ang color na hawak natin right now is the Glacier Green. Other stuff inside the box. User guide, hard case, 10W charger, headsets, micro USB cable, and ang iyong panindot. So honestly, yung likod niya is looking nice for a budget phone like this one. It looks kind of not bad. Meron pa nga siyang fingerprint scanner dito sa likod guys. Sa gilid, nandiyan ka ng volume rocker and of course power button. Sa ibabaw, nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack. Sa gilid, ang kanyang SIM tray. And sa ilalim, makita natin ang kanyang microphone in, ang kanyang micro USB port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. Sundutin lang natin. And kita natin it's a triple card slot. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a teardrop notch. So guys, sa-unbox na natin and nakita na natin itsura ni itel A60s 4G. Itong phone na ito is nothing really stand out naman sa kanya. Ang hanap natin dito is a very reliable phone na pwede mo gamitin siya everyday, lalo if you're very budget conscious and you're just having a budget of mga 3,500 pesos. Itong phone na ito, magagamit natin siya on a day-to-day basis without any problem at all. So itong phone na ito is being powered by the SC963A. Ulitin natin. And itong phone na ito is being powered by the SWAK SC963A na processor, no? I know it's not really something na wow na processor. This is a very entry-level na chip. Itong processor ni SWAK is being released back in 2019. So, nothing new. Ito naman ang score na nakuha na dito sa Antutu benchmark. Medyo 100,000 points lang naman siya. Pag binigtaw natin siya, itong mga score naman na makukuha natin. So, if you're looking for gaming, I think itong phone na ito can only give you mga basic games lang. Now, the phone na ito is being packed together with a 5,000 mAh of battery. It's an industry standard and it comes with a 10 watts na fast charger. Hindi pa nga siya fast to be exact. With a 10 watts na charger. So, charging this phone from 10 to 100 takes me roughly mga 2.5 hours to complete the full charging cycle. Now, looking at the bright side of the phone na ito is not so bad. Medyo makunat naman siya, giving me a 10 hours and 38 minutes na screen on time. This is being rated under 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Now, on average daily usage, using it for social media, watching videos, and, well, taking some video conference call, kaya naman na magtagal na one whole day as long as mostly on Wi-Fi ka and not too much on mobile data. Maybe kung medyo heavy ka sa mobile data, maybe after at the end of the day, kailangan mo na mag-charge. But kung mostly naka-Wi-Fi ka naman, after a whole day of usage, ginamit ko naman siya, maybe meron ka pa matitira mga 40 to 45% na battery pa dito sa phone na ito. Now, even though itong phone na ito is a budget-friendly device, meron pa siyang fingerprint scanner dito sa likod, no? All you need to do is just use your finger like this to unlock. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.6-inch na HD Plus display. This is a 720p na IPS LCD. So, don't expect too much naman sa kanya. Now, on daily usage naman sa social media, this is a 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Honestly, wala naman ako nafe-feel na lag naman as long as okay naman ang aking internet connection, kapag Globe Smart or dito, okay naman siya. Wala naman naging problema. Just don't expect naman siya na kasing bilis ng mga 60 Hz screen refresh rate. This one is just an average of 60 Hz. Now, watching YouTube naman dito sa phone na ito is just average. Don't expect too much from this phone. I can say now, if you're watching together with the whole Barkada 720p is much okay naman. As long as you're not under the direct sunlight, itong phone na ito is watchable. hindi ka mga anime, basketball game, or mga Korean novela, I think no problem at all. Probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado trip dito is medyo makapal nga lang ang kanyang baba dito. Now, one of the highlights na pwede ko sabihin dito sa inyo is that ginamit ko siya on Google Maps, on Waze. Very responsive naman siya and accurate naman mga location na nakukuha ko dito sa phone na ito. So, kung ang hanap buhay mo is being a frontliner ng mga Grab driver, lalamove rider, I would highly suggest this one for you. Itong A60s ni itel as one of your daily driver to pinpoint yung mga deliveries ninyo, no? Walang problema dito. Accurate naman binibigyan na sa akin ng mga locations dito. So, I did try to play a quick game dito ng Call of Duty Mobile dito sa phone na ito. And, well, honestly, medyo laggy siya. And not really the best experience on a very budget-friendly phone. Kasi, well, honestly, ito si Unisoc is not really too much of a gamer chip. At not even the slightest to become a gaming chip. Now, I can say na kaya mo naman maglaro ng games like this one, but do expect na hindi ganun kaganda experience. Well, I would say na i-lower mo yung settings, graphical settings, but at the end of the day, ang kaya ng laro dito sa phone na ito is mga very basic like Candy Crush. Ito phone na ito has a 8MP na camera dito sa likod with a QVGA na support, as well as sa harap niya is a 5MP na front-facing camera. Now, ginamit ko naman tong phone, ginamit ko naman kanyang camera to take some photos outdoors, and some of them are okay, sharp naman, and don't expect too much from its camera dahil this is a very entry-level na camera. Some of these photos are good, but some of them medyo nahirapan na mag-focus or naglo-lost focus siya. But what's expected dito sa kanya is medyo slower siya mag-snap as compared sa mga ibang phones na nagamit natin, mga 6, 7, 8,000 pesos. This one, medyo slow nga talaga siya mag-snap ng photos. So, dinala ko naman siya sa indoor and was able to get some good snaps and some not so very nice snaps as well. Now, what's surprising dito sa kanya is kanya front-facing camera na medyo maganda mga nakukuha ko dito, be it outdoor or indoor. Quite snappy naman mga photos na nakuha ko dito, no? Even though medyo low light, okay na okay mga shots na dito. Surprisingly. Tingnan muna natin one quick video dito na kinuha natin using the front-facing camera. The itel A60s, right now recording on 1080 and 30 FPS, and this is what you'll be getting if you're vlogging indoors. I can see it's just a decent camera, perfect for video chatting. Probably not too much on. So don't expect too much from its front-facing camera dahil this one can give you, well, at least makapag-video chat ka na maayos with your friends, with your family, or using for video conferencing. But honestly, don't expect it too much. Maybe, I wouldn't really recommend kahit kumuha ka ng TikTok video dito. Medyo so-so lang siya. But for video chatting, okay na siya. Now, ito phone na ito, again guys, si itel na A60s 4G is very reliable na phone that you can use as your, well, backup device, or you can use it as your daily driver. If you're really short on the budget, 3,500 pesos, this one is being priced at 3,499. I would highly recommend the phone na ito sa mga everyday heroes natin, na mga medyo short sa budget, mga naghahanap buhay, or even just mga student lang. You can get yung performance nito for social media. You can take some quick snaps dito sa phone na ito. And kung gusto mo siyang gamitin as your daily navigator, very reliable ang kanyang location dito sa phone na ito. Now guys, kung interested kayo bumili nito phone na ito, si itel A60s, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para din yung mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.